as it has taken almost 1 to 2 hours to get cool, and we can just see the crystals separating out. You can see the blue crystals which are just settling down. I'll show you. I think it's not clear from there, so I'll be showing you this, that how the crystals are this. So we just look at this, the beautifully colored blue crystals which are stick to the stirrer. So what you have to do is just filter the solution, and these crystals are put just between the folds of the filter paper. They are just dried to remove the moisture, and so that you can get to see the beautifully colored crystals which are formed. So these are the few crystals which I have separated. You can separate the more also. So we get these beautifully colored crystals of the copper sulfate. So this is how we are going to use the technique crystallization. That means making a hot saturated solution, heating it until the saturation point is achieved, let it cool, and then just you'll get to see a beautiful crystal. Just separate them out by filtration and just dry it between the folds of filter paper, because but the cooling time may exceed for a day also, because in case of different salts they take different time to the crystals to be formed. So this is how the crystallization is done.